My experience in BAPM so far has been amazing. I've been able to do all the things that I set out to do, mainly to make mistakes again. Back in my diploma days, it was more focused on building up my techniques. Currently, I'm able to use those techniques to enhance my creations and show the audience what I want to show.
In BAPM, I get opportunities to create, collaborate and perform on platforms with industry partners such as National Gallery Singapore and the Night Festival by the National Heritage Board. I really enjoy my time performing for Randai in Interspace and as well as Cafe, which is a performance response to one of the NGS exhibitions.
I feel like this course provides a community and like-minded people to help you hone your craft, and environment helps a lot in building you along the way. All the essence of storytelling, you learn it here, right? And one of the best things I found in this course is community, friends, great lecturers. It's a village of hands that help you to build on your craft and build your passion and help you grow.